Sit by the bonfire, velvet that drapes over the sky. Talk under the stars, wonder what life be like on Mars. Watch her wide-eyed memories ignite.
Look, that in my face. Because what is this? It's happening. Just forget it all feeling. Hey guys, welcome to, should I say another vlog? No, this is like a continuation. And if you're wondering why I'm wearing glasses by this time of the day, it's currently like 9 p.m. or even 11 p.m. if I'm not mistaken. I just want to round up the vlog by speaking with you guys because I realized that in the last couple of vlogs I've not like said anything. So back to these glasses, I'm wearing it because I got it from PLT, and then I realized I've actually not worn it because I felt like it was weird. Okay, so this is me destroying the glasses on camera. So while I'm editing, I'm able to see for a very long period of time to know if this actually fits or not. So let me know what you think about this glasses. Okay, if it fits, I doubt if my camera is even picking me correctly because I can't see shit right now. So yeah, welcome back to see my face like this sitting properly. So the last couple of vlogs have been me trying to settle in Ibadan. So I'm going to be giving you like the gist as to why I moved from Lagos to Ibadan, but that's going to be in another video. So right now, basically, I'm sitting here because I want to give you like a rundown update of everything that has happened. So if you watched my last couple of vlogs, let me catch my breath. If you watched my last couple of vlogs, you would see that I tried to show you like the process, where I got my refrigerator, like electronic shopping, moving in, blah 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 blah. So we went to Aleshina market to get some stuff, curtains basically, and I got a furniture guy to make my furniture. So they delivered it. I'm sure, I don't know if I'm going to put it before this clip or after this clip, but they brought it last night, and I just want to show you guys what it looks like and how far we have gone. Because after this, I feel like I might not film vlogs for a while. I'm probably going to take a break and try to film like sit down videos. Like vlogs are really not my kind of thing. I find it very hard to film vlogs, and I don't find it hard to film. I find it hard to edit because it takes a lot of time. The choice of music, you have to cut. You don't want to be too long. You don't want unnecessary clips. Like I would rather film 5 sit-down videos in a day. Like it's something I've done before. But you really cannot film a vlog in a day, depending on what you're trying to do. And then the editing takes like forever. Oh bro, it takes forever. So yeah, I've not been able to film sit-down videos because firstly, I have not seen like a very comfortable spot, a very nice spot for me to film. I've not started setting up my studio. You know, this place is like a 4-bedroom, so one of the rooms is going to be my studio, and my sister stays in one room, then me in one room, then we have like one extra room, which I'm still going to be using for something later on. Okay, so that's just it. So I'm not filming because I don't know what I want to do in my studio right now. But now that we have the couch here, I can basically film. And I feel like I can still film here, but I just don't like plain white backgrounds. I don't like plain backgrounds. I don't like it. Not like a lot of things goes on behind my back whenever I film, but I still like a little bit of touches here and there. So enough of all the talking. Let me know what you think about these glasses. Okay, because it looks like it's giving, but I'm not sure it's giving. So that's just it. Let me show you what we have going on right now. I'm sure you've already seen this tiny set, but I'm still going to start from this tiny set because in my last vlog, I think I ended the vlog showing you this tiny set. Okay, so I'm going to show you properly. Right. Hey guys, so this is the tiny set, and I just want to show you what it looks like. And if you're an OG on this channel, you know this plant and you know this vase is from my previous apartment. Okay, and that's my mirror, my lip gloss, my camera cover, because I just did some ceremony here. Okay, so this is table and chair, and it's really cute. I don't know if I mentioned it, but I got this for 120,000 naira from Gigi. Okay, and the man has a very good customer service, I would say. So I just put his number in the description box. Then we assembled this ourselves. It took forever. I'm not even gonna lie. The only thing I don't like about this table right here is that it is rather too small. But nobody really eats here. I mean, I eat here sometimes, but most of the times, when my sister don't, she's too arrow-ish for my liking. And it's because even though we have a dining in my house, we are not used to dining. Okay, so yeah, that's just the long and short story. So this is the dining and the fridge, of course. And then the curtains. These curtains came out to be really, really small. I mean, this is 2.5 yards, and this is what we have. And though that was what they recommended, they said 3 yards, but for some reason I was like, no, 3 yards is going to be too much. But this is 2.5 yards. So even if it's 3 yards, it's still going to be relatively small. So yeah, this is it. We hung the curtains as well, which I'm sure you must have seen. And this is my plant. This plant has been with me through thick and thin. Okay, all the way from Lagos. It's still here. And this is the second curtain, right? This is also another one. We have the TV that you've seen before. Then this is the couch. Trust me when I tell you that I am really, really impressed with the finishing of this couch. The only thing I don't like about this pillow is the fact that I can see the stitches, which are not really nice and are not supposed to be like that. But talk of like the fabric, the quality, and the finishing. Considering that this, I sent him this design to replicate from Telo. Telo is like a popular brand. But the problem I have with Telo is that, okay, I reached out to them. I told them I wanted this couch. They gave me like I was going to get a couch, get bed frame, get center table, get like a whole lot of stuff. So I asked for a discount and they said their prices are fixed. So I was like, no, I don't have that much money. So I took their design and I sent it to someone to replicate, which I think it did a really good job. Another thing, I'm going to be sincere, is that I feel like this place, like from here, is really low, okay? And it's probably not going to be too comfortable when someone is sitting. I don't know, but that's what my sister said. Okay, they have my laptop basically. And then this chair also, he replicated it from Tello. Okay, I really like the design and I wanted to buy because I reached out. So Tello sold this combo for about 210,000 naira with a center table. But I was able to get an offer for all of this. I paid 170,000 naira, which I think it's moderately fair. I mean, I don't know, but that is how much I paid. So the curtain, basically, you've seen the curtain. I forgot to mention that with this curtain, I mismatched. Okay, so I was thinking it would rhyme with this couch, but apparently it didn't. Okay, which is still fine. We can make do with it. So yeah. Then let me show you the bed frame. Ooh, it was the same guy that made the bed frame actually. I slept here last night. My sister slept in the other room. But I really love the bed frame. You can't really see the texture, but it's kind of like glossy. It's not like wood. I was not even expecting it to be glossy. I was expecting it to be wood. But this is really nice considering that it's glossy. So we fixed the mattress, which I'm sure you saw yesterday. Then the curtains. I really like this curtain. I like the texture compared to that one in the sitting room. I wish we had gotten this kind of fabric for the sitting room because this one is not all that transparent and that one is a little bit transparent. So we have the wardrobe. Let me just show you quickly what I've done with the wardrobe. I just arranged my shoes here. I don't have a lot, okay, but it's really dark in here and I'm not okay. Let me see if I can turn my eyes so hot. Oh, okay, it's really dark in here and I don't want to mess up my eyes. But basically, I just arranged my shoes here for a while. These are some of my clothes that are from Lagos. I've not done like a whole lot. And hopping here, let me show you. I don't know if I mentioned it, but I got this duvet. I didn't buy like duvet. I had it. I bought like material and then I gave it to a tailor. But I'm going to explain in a bit. This is how the duvet comes. I bought the fabric, right? I bought 11 and yards. If you go to the market, just tell them that you want bed sheet material. They'll give you several fabrics and have options to choose from. So this is 11 and a half yards because my bed is a 6 by 6 bed. They said, okay, you get, what is it? 11 and a half. You use 6 for the bed sheet, 6 for the duvet, and then 4 pillowcase. But the lady advised that instead of doing like a bed sheet and the duvet, okay, I should buy a different fabric for the duvet so that I would have a duvet cover, a bed sheet, and 4 pillowcases. That way I don't have to be washing my duvet all the time. So that's just it. So I bought white and I bought cream that I showed you from the previous room. So let me just show you the duvet insert. Kind of, right? So this is just the chair. I really, really love this chair. Gosh, even though it's no all that. This is where it's supposed to be my studio, and I mean it's still a mess. I still don't know what I'm going to do here. My makeup and everything. So this is the duvet insert. I got another fabric, and I'm sure you must have seen that insert, and they just did their thing. The lady did a good job. I was trying to wash this in the washing machine yesterday, but it didn't fit in, bro. So here I still have some of my camera stuff. No light. Okay, some of my camera stuff, my box, hair stuff, and what's not. So this room is still a mess, but I just wanted to show you guys. So yeah, that's pretty much everything. So we did two bed stuff. What is it? So this is the second bed frame we did. See my sister. She's doing what I don't know. But this is second bed frame. It's basically the same thing for a 6 by 6 bed as well. And yeah. What are you doing to your hair? Okay, so yeah, that's what's up, and we're gonna just round off the vlog here. I'm gonna see you in my next one.
¿Cuánto tiempo tengo sin verte? En verdad no quiero creerte. Cuando te fuiste quedó en